You want to learn soap making? Well, here's 7 best soap making courses online, free, plus paid. First course, online soap making training, instant video recording by StartupYo. This is a comprehensive course that will guide you in making your soaps. They provide step-by-step instructional video, notes, and e-certificates. Topics covered in this course are: introduction about soaps, detailed account on oils, making of various soaps, materials to be used, formulations, melt and pour soap method, cold process techniques. You will learn the practical knowledge of making various kinds of soaps. You will know what soaps are all about. You will learn the ways of choosing the right ingredients and equipment required. You will learn to select the right and inexpensive method. You can formulate a list of safety guidelines which should be followed while manufacturing soaps. You can outline the common problems faced while preparing soaps. You will learn to empower yourself. This course is for everyone who is interested in the art of making soaps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, how to make soap, homemade soap making for beginners by Udemy. There is a lot you can learn from this course. It provides you step-by-step information which makes it easy for beginners. Topics covered in this course are: cold process method, what you will need to get started, what you need to know before making a plain bar of soap, making soap using a natural colorant, making a loaf of soap, making exfoliating soap, making confetti soap, shaving soap, how to create your own recipes, soap making tips, rebadging your soap, labeling and packaging your soaps, troubleshooting, bonus, and additional resources. This course is directed to boost the integral knowledge, skills, and attitudes to make various soap products. The best part of this course is that it guides you to make soaps from locally available ingredients which are easily available. You will learn to make natural and pure soaps that are free damaging agents. You will learn to use inexpensive gadgets to create top-notch packaging for your soap. You will learn to create your very own individual recipes and in result develop a new innovative hobby. This course is for everyone who is interested in using homemade things for making soaps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, how to make soap at home made easy by Udemy. This course provides you all that you want to know in order to make soap from scratch at home. It gives you a complete guide of making soaps at domestic level. Topics covered in this course are: content summary, soap making demonstration, soap recipe formulation, different soap making methods, colors, fragrances, and exfoliators, troubleshooting, bonus material, epilogue. The mission aims at imparting a beneficial and realistic ability, whereby you can generate different methods to make your very own soaps. You will learn to make herbal soaps. You will learn to select the best material. You will learn to develop your individual recipe, to formulate satisfactory soap, to cherish your skin. You will learn to make inexpensive soap, and thus save money. This course is for everyone who is interested in making soaps from their very own recipes. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, how to make melt and pour soap, beginner's step-by-step guide by Udemy. This course gives you a quick, enjoyable and easy way of making soap. It provides you a complete step-by-step method. Topics covered in this course are: what you need to get started, ingredients, making a basic bar of soap, additives, creating stunning effects, embedding, sugar scrub bars, troubleshooting, wrapping, and storing your soap, bonus section. The benefit of this method is that you don't have to control light. There is no need to therapy the soap. It's qualified to use as soon as it is manufactured. You can use a method whereby you can use a lot of approaches that show brilliant observable effects. You will have a technique of making soap that is family friendly. You will learn to prepare soaps that will be easily available in few hours. This course is for anyone who is interested in using creative ideas for making soaps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, natural soap bars from scratch for beginners by Udemy. This is a complete course for beginners which provides a step-by-step method to manufacture soap from natural ingredients which are vegan in nature. Topics covered in this course are: ingredients and safety, tools and equipments, method, cold process, cutting and curing soap bars, soap recipe formulation, troubleshooting, and frequently asked questions, the finish line. You will learn to make soaps from a traditional method by combination of oils and lye. You will be able to figure out the safety allied with formulation of soaps, and know what preventive measures you need to take while manufacturing herbal soaps. You will be able to develop your very own techniques. You will learn how to dissect and antidote soap bars. You will learn the flexibility of using ingredients to your soap. This course is for everyone, particularly vegans who want to learn to manufacture plant-based soaps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, eco-friendly soap recipe by YouTube, free course. This course gives you a simple and basic method to prepare soaps. It focuses on eco-friendly recipes. Topics covered in this course are equipment and requirements, making of lye solution, melting the oils, and making soap, use of recycled homemade things. You will get an introduction on the need to develop an eco-friendly soap making method. You will learn about the various equipment used in the process. You will get to know the ingredients used in manufacturing soaps. You are provided with a step-by-step procedure to prepare soap which makes it easy to understand. You will be provided the information on where you can get these ingredients and how to avoid mistakes. This course is for everyone, particularly those who want to learn to manufacture eco-friendly soaps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn perfume making, click on the I button. 7th Course Soap Making Masterclass by Alison, free course. Topics covered in this course are types of soaps, starting ingredients, summary of soap making. You will learn the process of making soap in detail. You will learn the nature of the essential components of a soap. You can prepare a detailed list of the important ingredients, tools, and equipment required in the technique. You will learn to resolve certain common mistakes made while soap manufacturing. You will learn to make products that can be sold, gifted or used. This course is for everyone who wants to learn about manufacturing soaps. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.